guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely Yamaha MT10. So this one's a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's only done 6,787 miles from new and it's had a full custom wrap job done it. Obviously it's in red and white, made to look a bit like the 60th anniversary, which obviously is yellow, but I think it does look good, it's nice. It's got the Scorpion exhaust and a sports decat on there as well. It's got the tail tidy, the genuine comfort seat from Yamaha. It's got some hand guards, Evotech protection at the side, paddock stand bobbins. These as well come with full digital display. You've got a few different power modes. So you've got 1, 2 and 3. You get adjustable traction control, you get ABS, you get cruise control. And this one is fitted as well with the Woolich quickshifter, which also allows it to have an auto blipper as well. If you just have a look at the front here as well, you've got daytime running lights in the indicators. Some protection down there as well, which I think looks nice, all in billet. Radiator guards on there, you get full LED lights, and the indicators are the exact same on the rear as well, with a bit of red going through there. But they do sound good. Obviously uses the R1 cross-plane crank engine, so rewind a little bit and you'll get to hear it. And it is a nice thing, got some nice bits on it. Bikes like this always sell immediately, so if you do want this one, be quick. Get yourself that Jordan Bikes or give us a call. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.